So you're happy, me happy, and my partner happy, okay?
Hágale, papá.
If you do it,
Thank you.
survivors.
Hello, Papa.
Hágale, papá. Hágale, papá.
Grab it.
All left, so we are ready to go. Plane. Wait, guys, say hi. Please.
They're part of the bar department.
One of the best.
This is my boyfriend. My boyfriend.
Okay,
This
yeah.
is my girlfriend. My girlfriend. This is my
And
husband.
Nadia as well.
Of course not. No tickets. No. We want to buy them.
Alright. What the winner be? Hey. So we are going to do zip plane,
El
right?
bobito. No le pongas atención.
We are going to do the zip plane and going to
El bobito.
Oh, what's that? Oh, what's that?
What? What?
What to do with the wristband? Extreme zip plane. Okay, we're going to do that. and
What?
what's up?
Okay, check it out. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna be riding what is called zip line at Roatan, Honduras. I don't know. How long does it take? Like,
I needed to fill out the...
I think it's a 1 hour ride.
I take my money.
¿Cuánto tiempo es? 45 minutes in the middle of the jungle. Super cool, huh? ¿Y? Habla. She's helping us out today. Look.
Oh,
Okay.
hi,
Thank
how
you.
are you?
Thank you for helping me out, Julie. I was
The
thinking
thing is that we had a crew party last night and we're still hungover. Still hungover. Okay, cool. Ay, pero espera, no eran por eso exactamente. ¿Dónde?
Yeah, aquí.
Deme más.
We are ready to go. Zip plane. Wait, guys, say hi, please.
Hi. They're part of the bar department.
One of the best.
This is my boyfriend. My boyfriend.
Okay,
This
yeah.
is my girlfriend. My girlfriend. This is my
And
husband.
Nadia as well. Initials, name, signature, and date. We need to sign your life away.
David Weber. Tengo que hablar inglés para esto. ¿Dónde está en español? Quiero una en español.
Hey, bastardo.
No en español.
¿Cómo? Signature. Ready? It's cool, right?
And just in case you guys start breaking the way you're supposed to break, the only thing the guy on the platform can do is block this pulley. With the impact, if the head is in front, you can get it smashed against you. So always keep it on.
Van 7, joven. 8.
So. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Making video. Guys, are you ready? Are you ready?
Of course.
Say something, bastard.
Come on. We're gonna be enjoying the zip line. Why don't you take pictures of the zip line instead, huh? Look, look. We're gonna be in the middle of the jungle, having fun. Say fun. Fun, of course. Look at his face, huh? Very funny, huh?
It's you.
Photo, you betting like this.
This is one of my friends.
I'm not from the bar, but okay.
We are from the bar.
Another one, like iguana.
Like iguana.
Nice.
Follow me.
Okay guys, that was $30.
Let's
Thank
follow.
you. We are getting ready. Kita siap-siap meluncur ke sana. Ya. We're gonna ride down there, right? Dude, so I don't know. Supposedly it's gonna be a 45-minute ride. This is the starting point, so you can see everybody is waiting. We have our secure tools. I don't know what they're called. We're gonna be using gloves as well in case we get stuck or we want to stop. We can see over there, right in the back, the rest of the island in Honduras. We're right now in Honduras. There's smoke also going on. Somebody might be doing a barbecue. We had to drive around 15 minutes to get here, so practically we're in the middle of the jungle. They have these different posts all set up and ready for the people that are gonna be riding this. This is station 1. Check it out. The maximum speed that you can be, or that you can get to, is 20 miles per hour. We're, let's see, the highest point is 60 feet, and this level is easy. So let's see how it goes. Station 1. Hey. Да. Oh my God, I'm ready. Is it working? You make sure. Just make sure you hold it. You can give up now. Yay! You're gone.
I got a question for you. 1 or 2?
Two.
Which hand is
Hold it.
What's the strongest hand?
The one that you practice with. Huh? What?
Practice how? I switched them. No, really. This guy is sick, man. Ready, man?
Not yet. With the right.
Recording or not?
Right.
Touch it.
Right.
Touch it.
With the right.
Touch
What?
it. Touch it. Just touch it.
Why?
Okay, it's recording.
Tiptoe, buddy.
Which one I heard?
Left one feet. Left one feet.
Here?
You have so many things on you that you're not gonna be able to freaking hold to that, man.
Which one I heard? This one or?
Yeah, down there. Right
What is wrong with you?
Right
Huh?
here.
Can you just enjoy the ride?
got- Ready?
Yeah. I'm not gonna ride without you. Just enjoy the ride.
Help me.
Stand up, buddy.
Fucking cool, really.
Now you pull
Awesome.
up. Pull out, you buddy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm streaming. Good. How you feel?
I told you I will not scream.
No? You look okay?
I'm okay.
She's okay. Hey, dude. What's up? Sekarang
I think what?
si plan yang kedua ya. Second round,
session.
second session.
Out of
round.
6. Yeah.
How you feel? Nothing.
Pretty cool. No, it was
Nah,
cool.
It was cool.
Cool, dude.
Tiptoes. Come on. Do you even work out? Here.
Yeah. Okay.
Just hold out the beam like that. Buddy.
Yeah.
Just
Ready?
cross your leg. Cross your leg.
Okay.
Cross your leg.
Cross.
Cross your leg.
Cross.
Sit down.
Cross the legs.
Like this.
Wow, but you're nervous.
Oh no. Okay.
What? Are you
Limba,
gonna cry?
limba,
Don't
limba.
cry. Don't cry.
lean back. Let's sit down or before
Okay.
you make
No,
this.
I don't feel comfortable. Hold on. Okay.
Yes, sit down before you make this. Cross
Okay.
your legs. Every time for you lean back.
Okay.
For
Lean
you
back
Lean
like
back.
that.
Like
Okay.
Jeez. Aye.
Pull! No!
Grab it.
Which one? Okay.
Stand up. Drag the cable.
Yeah.
Drag the cable.
Very good.
Drag the cable.
Okay, so.
Drag the cable. Jump. Jump.
Jump.
Jump. Stand up.
Oh. I kind of nervous. Tadi harus grab that time. Frame. Bagian 3, part ketiga. Ready.
Tinjoran. Otro que no se pone a hacer.
Okay, buddy. If you go faster, my partner give it the signal.
Okay.
How you do it? You body lean back and pull cable down. You go slow down, right? Ready? Ahí va Danilo. Body lean back. Two hands down. Body lean back. Screw your feet, bend your knees. Little more, right there. Ready?
Indiana Jones, huh?
Enjoy.
If you need a break in, you
Lara Croft.
strong hand
Lara
down.
Croft. Come on, Lara Croft. Eso.
Ready?
Okay.
Screw your feet up.
Cross it. Jeez. And lean back.
Oh, feet.
Close inside.
Okay.
Ciérralos inside. Right.
Okay, go.
You body lean back.
Yeah.
If you need a breaking, you need hold. You strong
Okay.
hand the bottom cable, right?
Okay.
A tu señal, Danilo.
Don't drop the camera.
Okay, hold on some on the cable, buddy.
Okay, buddy.
Two
So
hands
one the
up.
cable.
Yeah.
So one the cable behind you. Behind yes.
Yeah.
Follow.
sorry,
Follow.
man. Okay. Thank you.
How many cycles, sir?
Hi.
Okay, behind, sir. And this one no braking, okay?
Huh?
No braking in this one, okay?
No break.
No brake. Feet up.
Did I?
Feet up. Feet up. Feet up. Feet
Okay.
up. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Buen pelco.
Hands on the top cable, buddy.
Nada mezclado, homie. Pero con más ahí que me tiene. Tiene otro, un alero mío.
Excuse me, buddy.
Vende ahí, pues. Yeah, we having fun. We having fun.
Having fun, right?
Yeah, bro.
Good, thank you, bro. Ternyata 5 kali tahapan. Yang kelima, sekarang yang kelima terakhir. Persis on kapal. God damn. Really good.
2 more to go, okay?
2 more?
Yes, sir.
2 more to go? So we have 2 more to go. How you feeling though? Cool. Go.
I think we need something like this on the ship. It'll be super cool, super
2
fun.
more to go, man.
2 more to go?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right on.
Now is the last one. Sekarang yang terakhir ya. Persis yang terakhir ini meluncur, kita melihat di pinggir kapal pesiar persis. As you can see. It's the last one.
Con carga loca.
Coming up, guys. Little more in front. Coming in front. Coming up, all group.
Today very slow. Today very slow. Today como 45 person y ese de one tour today. Si yo especha tía, mía me pana guyo. Ese guys, ¿cuántas personas andamos nosotros? 8 guys, okay? Si yo especha mía me pana guyo at the end, the best thing is 20, okay? No obligation, okay? It's voluntary, okay? Today very slow y ese de one tour and no more, okay? Thank you for coming zip line. If you're happy and me happy and my partner happy, okay?
Hágale papá.
If you do it,
Thank you.
survivors.
Halo papa.
Hágale papá. Hágale papá.
Dale, papá.
Okay, let's do it. You ready?
Ready.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, see you.
Easy to find easy.
Really?
We have to be like the same rank.
Come on.
Last chip. Last chip line.
No man. You two go.
No, I'm saying you go.
Ivan goes.
I think you go.
And then Ivan is next.
Okay, go.
She's asking, maybe you're ready?
You got nervous?
Of course not.
Fuck.
I was taking easy. What are you talking about?
He's local. He's always playing on the computer now.
Because I'm starting it.
Oh, you're starting? Yeah. What Spanish?